Welcome to the JIANMENG CNC press brake operation demo. First, power on the machine and wait for the control system to finish starting up. Tap New on the screen and select Data Input Mode. Enter the customer name, product name, material type, and sheet thickness. Then select the appropriate upper punch and lower die. Next, set the back gauge retract distance. After the setup is complete, perform a test bend. When the test bend is finished, use an angle gauge to measure the bending angle. The measured angle is 95, which is 5 different from the target angle. Open the Global Angle Correction menu and enter -5 for compensation. After saving the setting, press Start to perform another bend. Measure the angle again after the second bend. As you can see, the workpiece angle has been corrected to 90, meeting the required specification. Next, create a new bending program. Enter the sheet thickness. Select the material type. Choose the appropriate upper and lower tools. Enter the workpiece length. Set the back gauge retract distance. Then select the dimension type. Tap New to create the bending program. Adjust the retract distance and bending angle for each step, according to the production requirements. After confirming that all parameters are correct, start the hydraulic pump. Press Start, and the machine will begin the automatic bending process. Once all bending operations are completed, inspect the finished workpiece. As you can see, the workpiece has accurate dimensions and excellent bending quality. This concludes the JIANMENG CNC press brake data input programming demonstration. Thank you for watching.
JIANMENG